Stress, welcome to Crypto Guru channel. In this video, I will share you less important updates about Happy Cat coin. Its price prediction this year mega bullion. That is this meme coin has really potential to be the next $1 billion market meme coin, or this meme coin will be dragged will be zero soon because right now we are 98% down in its all-time high, and right now we are on its all-time low. Just now this meme coin hit its all-time low price here, so, is there any chance for Happy Cat Coin to fight back in and we can see its new all-time high in coming few months here or not? So, the video is be very special, very important. You have to just for the complete video here. So, friends, Happy Cat current price 0.0011 drop by almost 20% in last 24 hours, 20% in last 7 days, 11% last 14 days, and 63% in last 30 days is just because entire crypto market is dumping. You can see, friends, $3.8 million market only. Okay, only $3.8 million market, but all-time high market was around 60 to $80 billion a year. But right now, due to this market crash, its current market is just $3.8 million. It's just like, friends, as we have many other meme coins. Okay, top class meme coins are also crushed by 90 to 95 to 98% also. So that's why this meme coin is also barely jump here at $7 billion trading volume in last 24 hours. Somehow trading volume is awesome. 3.3 billion coin supply all in circulation. You can see, friends, coin was initially launched in Solana ecosystem after on BNB chain also. You can see this and other Solana ecosystem, Cathy meme coin, Binance Alpha, Spotlight also, and 98% down the install time high. So no doubt this is major dump, major dump for this meme coin, and that was 4 months ago. Right now, friends, we are 98% down. So right now investing here is no doubt highly risky, but you can see we are on its all-time low here, only 8% up. So if it's possible that this meme coin can again make a new all-time high in coming few months, then definitely there will be exactly 10 to 15x from here, and it's possible also because this is meme coin. And first, these are some central exchanges where coin is listed. KuCoin, a best central exchanges, Get.io, MEXC, Albank, BitGet. These central exchanges has already listed this coin. Here you can see, friends, CoinX and Bluefin. So mostly number of central exchanges is good. You can see nearly, I think, 15 central exchanges has already listed this coin, and maybe when crypto market will again recover, we can see a massive high for Happy Cat again. At that time, maybe some more central exchange listing coming for this coin, and it's also possible that tier 1 central exchange listing can be done for this coin also, because, friends, no doubt we are 98% down in this all-time high, but still I think Happy Cat has potential to recover soon. And when crypto market will again recover, when BTC will cross $90,000 and we see a massive hype, a massive boom in meme coins, then definitely Happy Cat has potential to be the next big crypto and can recover soon here, and we can see its new all-time high also. And for personally, I think we have to invest at least I think $10 to $20 here. This is very low amount, because if this meme coin will go zero, that very low chances. But because this is a meme coin and 98% down in its all-time high also, so still there are some chances that this meme coin can be zero. But if this meme coin can recover good here and we can see a massive boom in crypto market for meme coins, then definitely Happy Cat will recover soon, and we can see its new all-time high, and then our $10 to $20 will be easily converted into maybe $1,000 here. It's really possible. And friends, my price prediction is, I think definitely we can see its new all-time high also, and then this meme coin can reach maybe a 500 million to maybe $1 billion market also. What's your price prediction? You can must comment down below.